They allow to form a 360-degree wing over. Designed to fly, consulted through a number of roles, equipment to fit those roles being bolted onto the aircraft. When the Americans approached Boeing to design the aircraft, they told them the weapons effect they wanted. The aircraft was then specifically designed and built around those weapons systems. Watch now as they put a 180-degree wing over. Imagine the crew just seeing an enemy fire from a tree. So that as they fly by, unlike most aircraft that require a wide turning area, the Apache is able to fill the wing over you just see, quickly bringing its weapons to bear. On one of those weapon systems at their disposal is the Hellfire air certainty missile, capable of defeating targets that are 8 kilometers away. The Apache has two guided variants of the Hellfire, a laser guided variant and a radar guided variant, the latter of which gives a non-line